Okay, for this part is where to turn on and turn off for the pump. Let's say press auto, so it will run automatically. So if I want to close the cleaning nozzle, press this one. Okay, so it will stop because pump is closed. So open it again. It will run again. So if you want to adjust the filling speed for the pump, you can just minus. So it will become slower. So let's add. So it will become faster. So here is where to adjust the filling speed and turn on or turn off the pump. Okay. So now I'll let you know how to change the pipe from the pump. This one, just pull it. So this part will be raised up. Okay. You can see at the side. So just pull it up. Move the pipe out. Another side, pull it up. Move the pipe out. So let's say for this tube, if this part of tube is not well, so you can change this part. So so how to install back is the same. Okay, just pull out the side part, insert it, and it's the same as back at the left side. Insert it. So just check the distance as the two sides are the same. Alright. Then simply pull down, get it back. Okay. That's very easy. Okay. So with the machine, I already give you pump tube for you to replace the tube inside. This is pump tube for you to change the tube inside, and another tube. Another tube is outside tube, is for filling nozzle. Okay, so remember that those tubes are different. One tube is for inside tube. Another tube is for outside. Okay.